We have talked about Vipassana, Shamatha, Analytical Meditation, and settling meditation in our previous sessions. As Nagarjuna said in his letter to a friend, lacking wisdom, concentration fails, and without concentration, wisdom as well. For someone who has both, samsara's sea is no deeper than rainwater in a hoof-print. For Bodhisattvas, this type of concentration yields abundant happiness for themselves and others. As Maitreya explained in Ornament of Great Vehicle Sutras, for worldly practitioners and common vehicle practitioners, because their concentration yields personal happiness, it is subject to deterioration and exhaustion. But for Bodhisattvas, since their concentration is embraced by the wisdom of emptiness, it remains inexhaustibly.